All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone a part of the NLF community for that matter. This is, if not the most requested video out of everything we've ever filmed here on the channel. So, how to log into MT5. That is what today is all about. Unless you're a little different, most, if not all of our traders are trading off of the MetaTrader 5 mobile app. That's because the desktop, the laptop, any PC version of this MT5 is just terrible. So we will be doing the same thing, and I'll be demonstrating how to log into MetaTrader 5 using the phone. As you can see to my right, we have the login details up on the screen. That is because I don't feel like I need to explain how to buy an account, things like that. Go on the website, select the account you want, whether it's a 1, 2-step or a instant funding account. Pick your size, put your details in, and you know the rest. So if you've never bought an account with Next Level Funded, let's pretend you have, and this is exactly what you would get. The login details email, as you can see on the screen. Now, all you need are the little box of information down below. So specifically today, you're going to want to look at 3 things: login, password, and server. So as you can see, we're going to start with server, and there's a good reason for that. That is because MT5 is going to ask you that first. So you're going to copy that server address, which is for us, leverage markets-trade. Now you're going to go back over to MT5. What you're going to do, as you can see, I do not have an account on my phone when it comes to MT5. So you're going to click open a demo. Now, well, you don't actually want to click open a demo. You want to click that open a new account button. You're going to come down to the bottom where you can see enter company or server. That's where you're going to paste that leverage markets-trade. Make sure there's no spaces on either side or misspellings or anything like that. You would be surprised how many of you guys accidentally add a space or change a letter or add a letter and wonder why you can't log into your account. So just make sure all the information you always put in is correct. Now, you will want to click that Leverage Markets Ltd server up at the top. So click that, and now it's going to ask you for 2 more bits of information, like I said. That login number, and then most importantly, that password. So when it comes to logging in, you're obviously going to come back over and you're going to copy this login number. Now, because it's hyperlinked, if you're doing this on your phone, when you go to paste it, it is going to come up with tel11. That's just because your phone thinks it's a phone number. So delete those, and if you want to go and double check like I'm doing on the screen, you can see the first 3 digits of my login number is 100 and the last 3 is 494. Go double check that, 100494. So you've done the first half perfectly. Now, here's a little pro tip. A lot of people do just copy and paste straight from their emails. Sometimes what happens is it either copies a bit of the background or it copies a little bit extra code, which ultimately adds digits or changes the digits when you go to paste them into MetaTrader 5. So as you can see here on my phone, I've copied and pasted the password from the login, and I'll do it again just to show you guys what I mean. So as you can see here, the second line down is that password line. I'm going to copy and paste it now just to show you exactly what I'm talking about. There you go. The whole password's been copied. Now I'm in my notes app. If I go to paste it, you'll be able to see that when I do, it comes up with that background. That is what's going to cause MT5 to say no, or you may even get into your account, but it will come up as an invalid account. So just go and paste it, and then when you paste it, retype it out yourself. As you can see here, I have typed out my password once again just underneath, but I've done it correctly and made sure everything has been put there correctly. So if you look up above, WTV or WTZVF capital Q3 at. And it's the same thing underneath. Always, like I said, make sure you're putting that password in correctly. Now, all you have to do, go back to MT5, paste it into that password slot, click that tick in that bottom right corner, and if I was you, I would update or save that password. And just like that, you are into your MT5 account. You can go check out the charts. You can go to the trading section, which is over here. You can go to your history, which obviously I haven't placed any trades as it's a brand new account, or you can go to that quotes. So I feel like this was a login video, not a how to trade video. So I will just demonstrate one last time. Once you're in, you put your stop loss, you put your take profit, and you just put your amount that you want. I'm going to do 11 or 0.11 lots, buy, and oh, it's like that. That is though, not without showing you how to place a trade. That is how to log into MT5. So all you need to do is when you get your login details, you'll simply want to go take that server first, plug that in. Once the server's in, it's going to ask you for that login number and that password. Now, like I said, you paste the login, you delete that tel ... because it's not a telephone number, and then you will want to go and write out that password, and then you just paste that in as well. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Within less than 5 minutes or so, that is just how simple it can be to log into your MT5 account. Now, hopefully this explains and helps a lot of you guys in the future, and on to the next video.